Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display stock status for external product in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in edit product and scroll down. We are in product data section and now you see external affiliate product. So we will show stock status for external product. Now scroll down, you see custom field. If you don't see any custom field in product page, then scroll up and then you see screen option. So click on it and then you see custom field. So enable this option and then scroll down, you see custom field and now you see add new custom field. So click on enter new. Now write here external stock and then value of 1. Then click on add custom field. Now you see custom field is added. You see name, external stock and value of 1. So we are going to use this text in code. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see get post meta and then you see text external stock. So we added this text in metadata in custom field. Now you see, now back to edit code and then scroll down you see, then you see stock status 1. Now back to product. Now you see we added value 1. Now back to edit code. So when stock status is equal to 1, then show in stock, and when value is 0, then show out of stock. So you will find code in video description or in comment section, and edit same text in custom field external stock. Now scroll down you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page, refresh the page. Now you see stock status 1 and now message show in stock. Now go to edit product and now in custom field you see value 1, now 0, and then click on update. Now product updated. Go to product page and refresh the page. Now our value is 0. Now you see message out of stock, and if you don't see text out of stock or in stock in external product page, then you will add custom CSS. Just add this CSS display block and your issue will be fixed, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see entry summary container stock display block. Just add this CSS. So after adding this CSS, in stock message and out of stock message show. Now go to edit code, scroll down, we added this text external stock and then stock value of 1 in stock, stock value of 0 out of stock. Back to edit product and scroll down in custom field section, you see value 0, name external stock. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.